Dear students, today's topic is genetics. Let us see the content. The definition of the genetics, the sex-linked inheritance, the definition of the autosomes, allosomes, and alleles. And next, hemophilia and color blindness. Chromosome theory of inheritance linkage in maize and crossing over. Let us move on to the definition of the genetics. The study of heredity and the variation of inheritance characteristics is known as genetics. Next, we'll move on to the sex-linked inheritance. Sex linkage describes the sex-specific pattern of inheritance and presentation. When a gene mutation allele is present on a sex chromosomes, allosomes, rather than a nonsense chromosomes, autosomes. In humans, these are termed as X-linked recessive, X-linked linked dominant, and Y-linked. Next, we'll move on to the alleles. Each of two or more alternative form of a gene that arise by mutation and are found at the same place on a chromosomes are known as alleles. Next, coming to the autosomes. An autosome is any of the numbered chromosomes as opposed to the sex chromosomes. Humans have 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of sex chromosomes, that is X and Y. Next, allosomes. As sex chromosomes, also referred to as an allosome, heterotypically chromosomes or heterochromosomes. Hemophilia, a medical condition in which the ability of the blood to clot is severely reduced, causing the sufferer to bleed severely. When a person is injured, the blood clot is reduced and it bleeds continuously, and it is a hereditary defect which is governed by recessive gene and is inherited through the females. Example: hemophilia woman and a normal man. Parents: hemophilic woman, normal man. Genotypes. Genotypes are here. Sperms. Genotypes XX. Here, hemophilia woman, referred as small h. Normal man, X, Y, and H. Crossing over hemophilia woman and normal man. Here we get here normal X, H, and X small h. Here affected men, X, Y, hemophilia. But here normally but carrier for hemophilia. In case of a marriage between hemophilic woman and a normal man, the disease will be transmitted to 50% of the sons, even if the gene is in heterozygous condition. Next, parents: normal woman, hemophilia man. Genotypes. Here normal woman and hemophilia man. Crossing over. Here we'll get a normal because if a marriage between hemophilia woman and a normal man, the disease will be transmitted to 50% of the sons, even if the gene is in the heterozygous condition. So here we get both genotypes here normal but carrier for hemophilia.